at One Energy, we practice continuous improvement. Over a year ago, we identified an area of our construction methodology that we thought should be reworked. Installation of collection line cables historically has been an arduous task dependent on strength and body positioning. After some deliberation and thoughtful design work, we have developed a prototype that eliminates a large amount of labor-intensive work and replaces it with more predictable and safer engineering methods. Since enacting this new method to our ideology, our team has already begun brainstorming new improvements that can be made to the system that would create an even safer and more efficient practice. At One Energy, we never settle for the industry standard. We are always planning ways to be safer, more efficient, and innovative. This particular system can install miles of collection line in a day. It is wrapped and placed in the ground using a system of bearings and rollers. This system is significantly less manpower dependent and consumes less of our schedule to complete. Rain or shine, this system is flexible in different types of weather. Innovation is a pillar of safety. We take a lot of pride in this part of our culture.